Hey guys, this is Justin from Dynasty Preppers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a new box from Poor Man's Preparing. This is the August Medical Box. Lots of good gear in here, so stay tuned to see what's in it. Alright guys, so if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. We do offer all kinds of preparedness information for the whole family, including quick tips to help you be better prepared, gear reviews, and firearm reviews. So let's go ahead and jump into the box. We'll go down to the tabletop here and take a look. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into the contents. This is for the level 1 box, cost of $50, real world cost of $59.99 with shipping on that. The first item in the box is the First Aid Universal Splint. This is from Elite First Aid. And this is a great item to have around. It can be used for a variety of injuries. You can use this for, a broken arm, a leg, anything you want to immobilize. You can use it for neck injuries. So those are good things to have in a medical kit. The cost listed on this in the pamphlet is $11.99, and I did find that on Amazon for $5.99. So a little bit of a difference there. The second is the Trauma Pack with Quick Clot, and this is from Adventure Medical Kits. So this here is a really good kit. I use this a lot in like our hiking bags and things like that. Has a bunch of different items in it, including Quick Clot, Trauma Pad, got nitrile gloves in there, triangular bandages, gauze dressing, and then some antiseptic wipes, and then it is a resealable bag as well. So a lot of items in there. The best thing is, of course, the Quick Clot, which can stop bleeding. So if you're out on the trails or something like that, having this with you will help in case you get injured, cut. That is a good thing to have, especially the Quick Clot in that. That has a price in the box of $27.95, and I did find that on Amazon for $19.99, so a little bit of a discrepancy there. Next item on the list is a SWAT T tourniquet. The SWAT T has a bunch of uses. You can use this for a lot of things. You can use it as a splint if you needed to. You can use it for an arm injury, arm sling. Use it as a tourniquet like it's supposed to be. I mean, the SWAT Ts have a lot of uses, and there's some videos out there on all the different uses you can use them for. So these are usually found in our bags for hiking and things like that as well. And like I said, it's a great medical piece to have around. The box list, the price is $12.25. I did find that on Amazon for $12.05, so pretty close in the price there. The next item on the list is the Glacier Blister and Burn from Adventure Medical Kits. Adventure Medical Kits makes a lot of really good medical kits. Alright, so this is the Glacier Gel from Adventure Medical Kits. It is basically some bandages and ointment for if you were to have blisters or burns or anything like that. So this is a good thing to have in a hiking bag or put in your bob. If you're trying to hike or go somewhere, taking care of your feet is very important. So having something like the blister and burn dressings is important. This listed in the box is for $10.95. I did find that on Amazon for $10. The next item on the list is the oral hydration salts. This is again from Adventure Medical Kits. Like I said, they do have some good medical kits, so I do trust them with a lot of their medical that they have out there. This is oral rehydration salts. You've got 3 in this package here, and again, this would be a good thing to put in your bug out bag or in your hiking bag. The oral rehydration salts are basically to help hydrate you if you're dehydrated, and that's one of the things that can kill you the quickest is being dehydrated. Water is very important, and replenishing the different things you need in your body to absorb that water and to balance out the chemicals is a good thing. So definitely these are good to have around. The price listed in the box is $9.95. I did find it on Amazon for $9. And the last item in this is the Endure Emergency Survival Blanket. And this is something a lot of people don't think about to have in a medical kit, but it is a good thing to have around if you have a patient with hypothermia or any kind of injury or trauma. You want to try to wrap them up to make them, 1, feel like more comforted, and 2, to help keep in any body heat that they have. This is definitely something good to have. I haven't actually tried the Endure brand before, but we'll go ahead and see what this is like. It does feel like it's a little bit thicker survival blanket, so that's probably good. Could have multiple uses. This one also is a blaze orange, So you could use it as a signal if you got lost in the woods. So that's a good item there. For the price for this is $5.95 listed in the box, and on Amazon I found that for $6.27. So just a tiny bit of a difference there. Add it all up, the stated value is $79.04, and the value I found for all the items, the cheapest was $63.30. So you do get your money out of it. You paid $59.99, so I definitely got my money out of this. Just a little bit over the value I paid, and I'm okay with that, because there are some items in here that I hadn't found or didn't look for before. Overall, I think it's a lot of good stuff to add to your medical kit. I know that, you know, medical isn't sexy or exciting or anything like that, but like I said earlier, it's one of the things that can definitely save you, and it's something that's more than likely to happen to all of us. We're going to have some kind of medical emergency in our lifetime. That's almost a given for everyone. So definitely good things to add to kits. I do recommend most of these products here. Like I said, I haven't tried the indoor, but all the other stuff are good things to have around and add to your medical kit. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's a ton of good medical gear in the box this month. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the Poor Man's Preparing Prep Box. You can find that on the website down in the description box below. If you enjoyed the video today, like that and share with your friends. That helps us out a bunch. And also please consider subscribing to the channel. That's it for this week, guys. Appreciate you tuning in. And don't forget to ask yourself, what have you done to secure your Dynasty today?